Hi, my name is Azim Jamal, and I would like to speak to you about corporate Sufi, the harmony of business, balance, and beyond. In my travels for the past 20 years, working with top CEOs, senior executives around the world, I have discovered a startling fact that many of these executives, CEOs, are struggling to find balance. They are struggling to find happiness and, to some extent, significance. And by significance, I mean here, success is personal, significance is personal success and helping others become successful. Many of them have started to believe that it's either success or balance. They've started to believe that it's either success or happiness. They feel it's either success or significance. Whereas the concept of corporate Sufi is, it's not either or. It is success and balance, not or balance. It is success and happiness, not success or happiness. It is success and significance. So what they fail to realize that balance actually leads to a deeper sense of success. So this whole idea is that they're missing the harmony of business, balance, and beyond. And in this series, I want to try and marry this concept of corporate and Sufi, which allows them to achieve that harmony of business, balance, and beyond. And we will explore the A to Z of this concept.